Today I'm going to show you how to draw a simple cartoon character on iPad. This is not a iPad drawing tutorial yet. This is not a tutorial to use a certain app. This is showing how to draw a simple character using any of the tools, whether it's a iPad pen or simple traditional paper. This rule applies same for all platforms. So if you the one who wonders which app I'm using, it is Procreate. But as I told you, this is irrelevant. This is not the main subject of this tutorial. So in Procreate, I just creating a new empty canvas in screen size, and I will choose my pen under inking and technical pen. You can choose whatever pen you like, but I suggest to you to choose even drawing pen. Line should be even while you're drawing. I selected the size around 20 in this particular pen. Okay, let's start. The color will be something like gray or close to black color, since we are using a white canvas, white background. Okay, let's start. As a years of experience and the way I used to draw is I usually start to draw the character from eyes. In this particular example, this is no different. I will start drawing from the eyes of the character. Character will be looking, will be facing to left according to our direction, and will be walking. Character will be a male walking to the left. Okay, let's start. Starting with one eye and the second eye. Since we're drawing a cartoon, eyes would be in different sizes to add some dynamic and add some fun. The eyeballs. He has a big nose. Like that. In the upper lips, he is smiling a bit, lower lips and chin and neck. This is a tiny cartoon neck. The body size of the size of the body parts proportions are not realistic since it's a cartoon. Eyebrows. Let's have a curly hair for this character. Ear, like that. Don't hurry. We have no hurry. Enjoy it while you are drawing. Is that posture bend to the front a bit, . hands. Okay. As I told you, character will be walking towards the left to this direction. The most important part of the character is the walking animation. There is no animation, but the walking posture, which if you don't make it correctly, it ruins all the scene. You have to add some dynamism. You have to make it correctly to feel he is really walking. Okay, this is the left leg and foot. See, this is the ground and his foot like a bit air in the front. This is the right leg and he's curled a bit here, and this foot touching the ground like this. His shoes, had some bend while stepping on ground here. The right hand will be swinging to the front like that. Okay, as you see, he's walking toward the upper body part is longer, legs shorter, head is big. Since this is a cartoon, it has to be funny. Body parts don't have to be symmetrical or proportional. Okay, let's add the details. Okay, my pen size was around 90. Let's I'll make my pen a bit thinner to add details. Okay, some wrinkles under the eyes, on the nose, some little details here and there. This adds some shadows like that. On the shoes. Another thing, you can make some parts thicker to emphasize, to adapt to the scene. You can make thicker some lines. How? I will show you how. To make it thicker, after making your pen thicker, only the outlines of some parts, as you see, you can make thicker to adapt to your drawing. Only the out parts like this. This is a artistic preference. You don't have to do that. Sometimes in some drawings. Maybe you may want to add this technique. You may want to use this technique. It provides some 3D-like effect. Don't overuse it. As you see, the front leg, the left leg is thick. The other leg is in the far side is thinner. Okay. Some thickness on eyebrows. Add some thickness on nose. Deep spot only the outer parts. Okay. I make it thinner again to add some little beads, or maybe some here, some like little mustache like thing. Okay, since this is the only character tutorial, I will not add background, and this is not iPad app using tutorial. I will not color it because this is not a Procreate tutorial. It's only a drawing tutorial. You can color it using color pen on a real paper, physical paper, or you can color it in Procreate. This is another subject. You can look at the Procreate tutorials. This is not a Procreate tutorial. This is on a drawing tutorial. This you can draw this on the physical paper or iPad. I'm giving the tutorial in a way that you can use this technique in everywhere. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and tell me which cartoon tutorial would you like to see in the next video. Bye.